This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, performance tires, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, a keyless entry system, and a rear spoiler. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Harris Ford Lincoln is Washington State's largest volume Ford dealer. We carry a huge available inventory of both new and pre-owned vehicles, priced to market and ready to own. We are a transparent dealership that shows you everything you need to buy with confidence. And because of that, we are also Washington's leading Google-rated Ford Lincoln dealer.